So, how do millionaires save money? That was a question we had to ask. And it's very interesting the things they don't tell us. Millionaires save money by paying themselves first. So, if you want to save money at the end of the month, you have to make sure when you get your paycheck, you pay yourself first. You pay yourself first, then everybody else gets paid. If you don't get paid, nobody else gets paid. Simple as that. This way, at least at the end of the month, you know you have something saved aside and you will be able to build wealth with that money that you save aside. Now, the millionaires don't just pay themselves first so they can do a shopping spree. They pay themselves first so that they can use that money for their future. And how do they make sure they are able to use that money for their future? They use the money that they save from their income. Usually they take 10 to 20%. But of course, if you're getting paid more and you can afford to pay yourself more, then you go up to 30%. They take that money, they put aside for in the bank for a little bit of time, accumulate more, and then buy themselves an asset like a house, stocks, anything that will eventually grow in value over time. And before you know it, that money that you put aside is also working for you. That money is now making money. This is how millionaires are able to grow their wealth. And when they get their income, they make sure that they're taken care of, and then the bills are getting taken care of. You know, transportation, gas, all of that gets taken care of after they have taken care of themselves, after they have paid themselves first. This is a major key in being able to save money. Because otherwise, if you're paying everybody else first, you're not going to have money at the end of the month. You know, you're always going to come empty handed. And we've been programmed to always pay bills first and then save later. But that's not true because that's not what millionaires do. They pay themselves first. And obviously, that is the proper technique because otherwise, they won't continue growing. Their wealth won't continue growing, if this technique doesn't work. So, if you want to know how millionaires save money, this is it. You pay yourself first. Pay yourself first, and then everybody else gets paid. Okay? Thank you for joining us today. We'll be putting more of this content out. If you want to hear more from us, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Until then, take care of yourself and take care of your money. Bye bye.